The sun brightens and endows the world with energy. Constructing a green world with green energy, restoring nature to its original state. Amidst the era of carbon neutrality, AUX proposes the idea of win-green future together. AUXSOL emerges with a commitment to efficiency and safety. As one of China's top 500 companies, AUX Group integrates mature research results, technological achievements, and precision manufacturing into AUXSOL's products, ensuring safer application of photovoltaic systems. With a powerful industrial chain, we support the development of new energy, providing users with higher returns and better experiences. We follow the path of light, dedicating ourselves to the conversion and utilization of electric energy. We continue to explore, ponder, and learn, infusing each product with our utmost passion and dedication. AUXSOL is committed to providing users with stable, efficient, and reliable photovoltaic system solutions, offering outstanding product performance and unrivaled dependability. Reliability, the essence of your concern, remains our unwavering pursuit. Innovation in intelligent production, leveraging cutting-edge technological achievements, ensures technological security for our products. From core technology and production processes to quality control systems, we adhere to strict manufacturing standards, manifesting precision craftsmanship. Our international-level laboratory, together with simulations of over 100 different outdoor usage scenarios, ensures that the inverter products operates normally under various environmental and climatic conditions. AUXSOL's powerful supply chain dispels all concerns about delays. AUXSOL integrates the best procurement resources to guarantee component reliability, fully ensuring on-time delivery to our customers. For AUXSOL, every delivery carries the trust we committed to live up to. From electricity generation, storage, to usage, we combine PV generation and energy storage, providing you with a complete range of product solutions through digital intelligence services. Our independently developed monitoring system matches seamlessly with inverters, enabling 24/7 real-time monitoring and rapid response, satisfying your requirements. We deliver values with sincerity and pragmatism, continually innovating to serve our customers better. We embrace the core principles of higher returns, increased safety, and superior experiences, all in pursuit of a smarter and cleaner future. Let clean energy enter every household, and let's step into a green and low-carbon era together.